A 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Indonesia's Sumatra island, the third tremor to rattle the area since early Monday, according to the country's geophysics agency. 3 consecutive earthquakes struck the area with increasing intensity since the early hours of Monday, with a 5.2 magnitude tremor recorded before dawn, followed by a 5.4 magnitude quake less than an hour later. The 6.1 magnitude earthquake was felt strongly for several seconds by residents in the islands, in the provincial capital of Padang, and in the surrounding mountainous area, the disaster agency said in a statement. The agency said there were no reports of casualties, but there was minor damage to buildings on Siberut Island. Indonesia straddles the so-called Pacific Ring of Fire, where different tectonic plates of the Earth's crust meet and create frequent seismic activity.